Hey guys, so I was live today during the York session on Tuesday, which is obviously today's date, and I thought there was a conversation that I was having with one of the members, or at least a couple of the members, and we were discussing about the data on the charts. So I thought I'd just do a quick video to clear it up. Now, personally, what is the best broker to use? I'm not on about to trade with or anything like that. I'm on about just strictly on TradingView and where you get your data from. You can get, Oanda, FXCM, ICE. Forex.com, etc. Which one is the best to choose? Now, there isn't really any best answer. However, I probably would prefer, if I had to choose from all three of them or all four of them, however many there are, I'd probably choose the Forex.com. The reason for that is because I want to show you now. Before I show you though, I want to quickly mention that whatever broker you're trading with in the trading account, be it MetaTrader, 4 or 5, whatever, whatever you're trading on CTrader, it's always important to do a little bit of the marking up on there as well, just so you can really get yourself into a trade. Like if, for example, if I'm looking at this 1 minute POI here, okay, or if I'm waiting for a chalk below this low, I'm probably will a lot of the time, yes, I'll mark it up on TradingView as well, but a lot of the time I'll have my CTrader or MetaTrader, etc. For me, it's CTrader just at the minute. I do have a MetaTrader 5 account, but I'm just trading CTrader at the minute. That's why I said that. But I just have a CTrader account open on a different monitor, or be it any trading platform. You get the idea, right? And I have it open on a different monitor just because I can mark it up on there as well. Because sometimes what you see on your broker might be slightly bit different, even just by a 2 pip. It may not seem like much to you right now in hindsight, but when I go over this video, it probably will mean quite a lot. So I'll have it marked up on there, and I'll adjust for that, and I'll trade what my broker is telling me, because that's what I'm trading on, that's where my money is, okay? So I'll trust that more than whatever I'm marking up on. So that's just a little tip for you guys. It's fine to do all the marking up on TradingView, absolutely fine, but just when it comes to entering the markets, if you're entering on TradingView like this and looking to sell here, that's fine, you can just go ahead and sell. But in a situation like this where you're wondering to yourself, is this a chalk or not, look on your data, just refer to your broker. So if you ever get a little bit doubt or confused, just trust what the broker is telling you. Obviously, if you have a good broker, it'll be telling you the best type of data. But yeah, so again, sorry if I've just gone on a little bit here, but as you can see here, guys, right, FXCM, well, I'm on Forex.com, sorry, but I'll show you FXCM and Oanda in a minute. But if you look at Forex.com, right, as you can see, this changed the whole idea of getting into a trade or not. And one of the members missed out on his trade just simply because of the data that they're using, okay? So as you can see here, price did chalk below, okay? Yes, it's only the most minor chalk to the downside, but it's still a valid chalk because price is obviously pipped below that low, right? It's gone at least a pip below, right? As you can see here, I just chalked it with the wick, because obviously I use wick breaks as my structure, well, wicks as my structure breaks on the 1 minute time frame. That's just what I do. And then obviously I look for engulfing as well. So obviously you've got this wick to the downside, which is obviously a chalk. Then obviously you've got this wick here filling the imbalance, tapping into the POI, and then the engulfing candle. And obviously that's where you want to enter. Now I'm not discussing that, but anyway, that's a nice little trade there, targeting the lows here. So if you want to go ahead and study that, do that. But what I'm trying to say is here, look, I'll just pull up. I will pull up, let's go FXCM first, right? As you can see here, it did not chalk. Now watch carefully, when I go back onto Forex.com, it was a slight chalk. So even though it may seem so little in hindsight and not really relevant, situations like this is quite what is, fair enough, it's once in a blue moon, doesn't happen often, but situations like this, it can really decide whether you enter that trade or not based on the data you're using. So it's really important, guys, to just stick to, the broker's data ideally. If I was to say which is the best data feed to get your data from, I've always learned that it is Forex.com. I don't care so much about it these days because I do have a bunch of Oanda, FXCM, or Forex.com. But if I was to choose and have one, I would only just go with Forex.com because it gives you a lot better data than the other pairs, especially on the 1 minute time frame in situations like this. Okay, it may not mean so much when you're trading other stuff or high time frame, etc. But a situation like this, what I'm talking about, specifically this situation, it will really change a lot. So yeah, just keep that in mind. It's just 4 or 5 minute video just to go over a couple of things and explain, and yeah, keep it in mind. Check out Forex.com and check out FXCM. And guys, if you have any examples of this, be sure to share it in the chat because it's quite an interesting topic. So yeah, go ahead and check it out, guys, and see what you think. But just thought I'd bring it into your mind to see what you think.